Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find out the number when 1 or when 106 times is subtracted from 1. So at first we should know what do we mean by 1 hundredths. So 1 hundredths is simply 1 upon 100, which can be written as 0.01 in decimal form. Now according to the question, our required equation will be 1 minus what they are saying, we have to take away 106 times. So 6 multiplied by 100, that is 6 multiplied by 1 upon 100, that is 0.01. So we have to take this quantity from 1. So we will have 1 minus 6 multiplied by 0.01 is nothing but 0.06. Now 1 can be written as 1.00 and then we have minus of 0.06. So let's calculate it over here. So 1.00 minus of 0.06. Now since 0 is less than 6, so convert 0 to 10. So 10 minus 6 will be equals 4. We have 1 as a carry, add that to 0, so we will have 1. Again 0 is less than 1, so convert 0 to 10. So 10 minus 1 will be equals 9. And we have again 1 as a carry, so 0 plus 1 will become 1 and 1 minus 1 will be equal 0. So we will have 0.94 as our required answer. So 0.94 will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.